Hi everyone, welcome to California. You're watching Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today I have a very delicious and spicy fish curry with vegetables. Today I'm using loki, sorekai and brinjal. Let's quickly look at the ingredients and start the cooking. The vegetables I'm using is this is the bottle gourd in English, sorekai in Tamil. This is eggplants or brinjal, bell pepper, fish, you can use any kind of fish, and coconut milk. If you have fresh coconut milk, use that. And ginger and garlic and dhania and onions and tomato and other spices. Okay, first I'm going to marinate the fish with turmeric powder and salt, and I'm going to put this aside. Peel the ginger and cut it into tiny small pieces. Next, take the bottle gourd or sorekai and cut the edges and try to see if there's any the bitterness in it. If there's bitterness, you'll see the foam. I don't see any foam, so it's safe. So I'm going to slice it. I'm just going to use half of it. I'm going to slice this and peel the skin. If the sorekai is tender, the seed will be very soft, but in this the seed is a little bit hard, so I'm going to take the middle part out. If it's tender, you can use the whole thing. So I'm removing the middle part with seeds in all the pieces and then slice them like this. You can cut them into any shape you want. Next, take the brinjal, the eggplant, and it's very tender. I don't see any seed. I'm just going to peel the skin. The skin actually, if you use it in the gravy, it changes the color of the gravy. And also, sometimes the skin has wax in it. So I just remove the skin. And cut the brinjal almost the same size like the loki or the sorekai. And leave them in the water so they won't turn dark or black. Next, take the bell pepper and try to remove all the seeds. The seed is hard to digest, so I'm just going to remove the seeds. And cut them into cubes. I'm going to just stir fry it a little bit and cool it, and I'm going to grind them, so it doesn't matter what shape you cut. Next, let's fry the fish pieces. We're going to brown the sides, that's it. We're not going to fully cook it. Say halfway cook it. We are frying it so that when we put it in the gravy, it won't break too much. And this is also optional. If you don't want to fry, that's fine. Adding raw fish to the gravy also gives a different flavor. So it's frying is optional. You can do either way. Slightly brown both the sides of the pieces and take them out. And fry all the pieces just like this. In the same oil, let's just saute the bell pepper, tomato and green chili. Just saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And we're going to cool everything and then grind them into a nice fine paste. Fry the tomato and the bell pepper in medium heat just for about 2 minutes, and then add fresh green chilies. It's up to you how many you want to add according to your taste. Once the vegetable is 3/4 cooked, take them out, and we're going to cool this really nice and grind them. And the oil, don't throw it away. We're going to use the oil in the gravy. Just make sure you don't add the fried pieces. Just strain it slightly like that. And then add a little bit more oil. And then first add the ginger pieces. Then add the onion pieces. And stir fry them until the onion turns like glassy, like transparent. And then you add the brinjal pieces. Saute the brinjal pieces for about 3 minutes, and then add the garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon, and turn the heat to low. You don't want the garlic to burn, so turn the heat to low and stir fry it until the raw smell is gone. The raw smell of the garlic is gone. Add salt and gently mix everything. And now add turmeric powder, about half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, and fennel seed powder, half a tablespoon, cumin powder, about half a tablespoon, and then chili powder is according to your taste. I'm putting about 1 teaspoon. You can adjust it according to your taste, and mix everything in real low flame. We do not want all this masala powder to burn. It will completely change the taste. And now add the bottle gourd pieces, the sorakai pieces, and add water just enough for the vegetable to cook. Mix nicely and turn the heat to medium low and cover it and cook it for about 3 minutes. And just check, make sure it's not burning in the bottom. Add a little bit more water if you need. And cook it for a little longer, 3 more minutes. Looks fine. Now we are going to add the fish pieces. After you add the fish pieces, you have to be very gentle when you mix. You don't want the fish pieces to break into pieces, tiny pieces. So very gently stir it and cover it. And cook it in medium heat for 3 more minutes. And add the coconut milk. This is, like I said, this is optional. I'm adding about 3/4 cup of thick coconut milk. I'm using the can, but if you have fresh coconut at home, you can make the milk and use the fresh coconut milk. At this point, taste for salt and the spiciness. And if you need, you can add more chili powder and salt. I just had to add a little bit salt. Give it a gentle stir and add dhania leaves and cover it and cook it for about 3 more minutes. And now let's grind the vegetables that we're cooling. The bell pepper, tomato and green chili. Now add the paste to the gravy. This actually adds beautiful flavor to the gravy and gives thickness also. The bell pepper gives a chili flavor without the heat. So cover it again. Let all the flavor get incorporated and our gravy will be ready. It's ready. Our fish curry with vegetables is ready. Fish with loki or bottle gourd and eggplant is ready. Let's garnish it with some curry leaves and cilantro, chopped leaves. And it's ready. And let's eat. You can eat it with rice or roti, chapati, anything. It goes with anything. Let's taste it with rice. The smell is beautiful. I wish you could smell the aroma. It fills the room. It's aromatic. Here is your fish curry and vegetables. You can substitute the vegetables with your favorite vegetables. Spicy fish curry with vegetables is ready. Enjoy. Let's taste it. Take some rice, some fish and some gravy. Wow. It's delicious. It's delicious. Excellent. I'm sure you're going to like it. Love it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, Indian Cooking with Suganthi, please click the subscribe button and the bell button and the word all. Please share the video with your friends and family. And I will be back soon with more interesting videos. And until then, take care and thank you for watching.